server. Now our prerequisite is complete. We have installed JDK and set the environment variable. Now we need to start one batch file. The name of batch file is startup.batch. Now as soon as we click it, it will start for allow access. For first time, allow network access. Check the second option and click on allow access. Now our Tomcat is ready to start. Now I can type in localhost 8080 and this page will open, which means that our Tomcat is running at the on the local system. Now due to any reason, if you see that Tomcat page is not opening, which I showed just now on the web page, then you can go to services and check whether the service of Tomcat is running or not. Whether the service of Tomcat is running or not. So you can go to services and you can easily see Apache Tomcat here, and you can see its status. It's not in running position, so click start to run it. Now you can see that the status is running. Now you can check it again on the local browser. You can see again that Tomcat is running on the system. Now our next target is to see whether we can deploy any sample web application on it or not, and that is very important part of Apache Tomcat, because it is a server and we need some web application to run on it. So let us see what we will do. For demo purpose, we will need some var file of the application. In the Apache Tomcat folder, I will show it where to locate that var file, where to put that var file. Var file is created after application is compiled. Java application is compiled successfully. Then after building and compiling, we get var file, which is executable file actually. So we need to keep that executable var file in the Tomcat folder. So let us see where to put it in Tomcat folder. Now for learning purpose, Tomcat has provided sample application, so let us download it. For that you need to go to sample web app Tomcat, and you can see here this is sample application. So actually that sample application is has been packaged in the form of war file, which is generally prepared after code is built, or we can say compiled. Then war file is generated from the Java application. So it has been directly provided to us, so we can download it from here. And now we can see it's there in the, it's downloaded. Let us see it in the folder. It's there in the folder. So what we can do, we just need to copy this. Actually I have copied it earlier also, so let us copy it. Now I will go to C program files. Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat, and in this conf folder not in conf folder, actually we need to put it in web app folder. This is web apps folder, and I have kept it already. All you need to do is to paste sample var file here. So I have already done it. So my sample var file is there in the web app folder. Now let us see how to access it in my browser. So we do not need to do anything. Now we have not done anything. You can see here I have simply put that var file, which is executable file from the application. Whenever application is compiled, var file is generated. So I have simply put it in web apps folder, and now you can see this local web application, one web application is appearing on our Tomcat server. So you can see how it works. It is saying hello, and it is so it was just to show you how the web applications can be deployed on Tomcat web server. So it is very important part of DevOps, so we should learn it very carefully. So only the purpose was to show how it is deployed to the, how web application is deployed to the Tomcat server, so that we can use the same concept in DevOps. Thank you.